Have you ever wondered why we experience acidity? It's a common occurrence, something most of us have felt at some point. This discomfort is a result of a fascinating process within our bodies. In the next few minutes, you will understand the science behind acidity. Our stomach secretes gastric acid, which is essential for digestion. This acid, primarily composed of hydrochloric acid, plays a key role in breaking down our food. The normal pH level of this gastric juice hovers around 1.5 to 3.5. But what happens when the balance of acid in our stomach is disrupted? Acidity occurs when there's an excess production of acid in our stomach. This surge can be triggered by factors like stress, consumption of certain foods, and poor eating habits. The result? An overflow of acid, sparking that familiar sensation of heartburn or acid reflux. The discomfort we feel is a result of this acid imbalance. So now you know, acidity is not just a random discomfort. It's a biological process, triggered by dietary and lifestyle factors. Maintaining a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle is essential to prevent this. The next time you feel that familiar burn, remember the science behind it and treat your body accordingly.